Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs of zoology, chapter animal diversity and taxonomy. First MCQs is toothless chitinous beak is characteristics of bat, crow, lizards. तो यहाँ पे पहला ऑप्शन हमारे पास है बैट. तो डियर बैट्स आर मैमल्स एंड हैव टूथ बोनी jaws, not beaks. सेकंड ऑप्शन हमारे पास है क्रो. तो डियर क्रोज आर बर्ड्स एंड हैव बीक्स ऑफ कीराटिन, नॉट ऑफ काइटन. थर्ड ऑप्शन हमारे पास है लिजर्ड. लिजर्ड्स आर रेप्टाइल्स एंड हैव टूथ बोनी jaws. सो द एग्जैक्ट आंसर इज नन ऑफ दीज. बैट, क्रो एंड लिजर्ड्स डू नॉट हैव टूथलेस काइटनस बीक. सेकंड हमारे पास एमसीक्यूज है. करेक्ट सेट इन क्लासिफिकेशन इज प्लेटीहेलमिन्थीज, टीनिया, राउंडवर्म, फ्लैटवर्म्स. तो डेर यहाँ पे देखें प्लेटीहेलमिन्थीज के अंदर टीनिया, राउंडवर्म, फ्लैटवर्म्स रखे गए हैं. तो यहाँ पे टीनिया एंड फ्लैटवर्म्स आर प्लेटीहेलमिन्थीज while roundworms belong to nemathelminthes. So this is not correct option. Second option is arthropoda. इसमें रखेंगे हैं सेंटीपेड, मिलीपेड एंड सिल्वरफिश. तो डेयर सेंटीपेड, मिलीपेड एंड सिल्वरफिश ये तमाम आर्थ्रोपोड्स हैं एंड दे हैव जॉइंट लेग्स एंड एक्सोस्केलेटन ऑफ काइटन. सो दिस इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. तीसरे की भी हम बात करते हैं नाइडेरिया. इसमें रखे गए हैं एनिमल्स कटलफिश, सिल्वरफिश एंड सी अर्चिन. तो डेयर नन ऑफ देम इज नाइडेरियन. कटलफिश इज ए मोलस्क, सिल्वरफिश इज एन इंसेक्ट एंड सी अर्चिन इज एन इकाइनोडर्म. अगर हम फोर्थ की बात करें तो यहाँ पे एनिलिडा. इसमें रखे गए एनिमल्स अर्थवर्म, लीच एंड लीवर फ्लूक. तो यहाँ पे देखें डेयर अर्थवर्म एंड लीच बिलोंग्स टू एनिलिडा while liver fluke belongs to platyhelminthes. So the exact answer is arthropoda जिसमें सेंटीपेड, मिलीपेड एंड सिल्वरफिश शामिल हैं. हमारे पास नेक्स्ट है मोलस्का टू गैस्ट्रोपोडा इज लाइक कॉर्डेटा टू मैमल्स एंड आर्थ्रोपोडा टू अरेक्निडा. थर्ड ऑप्शन इज बोथ ए एंड बी. सो देखें मैमल्स कम इन फाइलम कॉर्डेटा एंड यहाँ पे अरेक्निडा है. अरेक्निडा इज ए क्लास ऑफ फाइलम आर्थ्रोपोडा. So the exact answer is both A and B. Means Mollusca to Gastropoda is like Chordata to mammals and Arthropoda to Arachnida. Next हमारे पास है lake insect. Lake insect is distributed in Asia and Africa. तो dear lake insect is distributed in Asian countries like India, Thailand, not in Africa. Produce resinous secretions on fig tree. That option is correct. Produce resinous secretions on cypress tree. That is not correct because besides on fig tree, lake insects live on palas and babur trees but not on ficus tree. Fourth option is studied extensively in India at Lake Research Institute, Jhansi. Lake Research Institute is at Jharkhand, not in Jhansi. So the exact answer is produces resinous secretions on fig tree. Echinoderms are arboreal insect, marine animals, terrestrial insects or freshwater forms. So there first of all we see what is arboreal. Arboreal means those organisms which live on trees and echinoderms are not insects. So first option is not correct. Second option marine animals. This option is correct because all echinoderms live in seawater means marine. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है हाउ आर एनिलिडा एडवांस्ड ओवर निमाटोडा. क्लोज सर्कुलेशन, ट्रू सिलोम, मेटामेरिक सेगमेंटेशन एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज ऑल ऑफ दीज. तो डेयर क्लोज सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, ट्रू सिलोम एंड मेटामेरिक सेगमेंटेशन आर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फीचर ऑफ एनिलिडा. निमाटोड्स हैव नन ऑफ दीज फीचर. सो एनिलिडा आर एडवांस्ड. सो द एग्जैक्ट आंसर यहाँ पे क्या है? ऑल ऑफ दीज. Means Annelida advanced over Nematoda due to close circulation, true and metameric segmentation. Cladistics is relationship between subspecies and species, relationship between two most forward races, relationship between endangered and surviving species, and fourth option is method of classification that attempts to infer phylogenetic relationship. So there cladistics is a method of classification of organisms based upon their genetic and ancestral relationships which are more scientific. So the exact answer is cladistics is method of classification that attempts to infer phylogenetic relationship. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है existence of marsupials in Australia and New Zealand proves genetic drift, geological period or continental drift. There was a time when Australia, New Zealand and present day Asia were one big land mass and marsupials were widely distributed. Later on, carnivores, means dogs, evolved on mainland and attacked marsupials. Thus, marsupials on Asia mainland were completely finished. Before carnivores could reach Australia and New Zealand, these lands drifted away from Australian mainland. That is why marsupials are found there. Their existence is an example of continental drift. So the exact answer is continental drift. Which of the following is given as gift in Japan? Euplectella, Euspontia, Sponchilla or Euglena? So their exact answer is Euplectella. Gift of cleaned Euplectella is attached to a blessing for the married couple to live happily till death. Euspontia is the commercial bath sponge, Sponchilla is a freshwater sponge and Euglena is a freshwater flagellate protozoan. Which of the following animals has notochord throughout its life? Fish, bird, snake, Amphioxus. So their fish, birds and snakes are chordates and have a notochord in their embryonic life. Later on, the notochord is replaced by a vertebral column. Amphioxus is also a chordate. Amphioxus is also a chordate in which the embryonic notochord remains unchanged for the whole life. While in fish, birds and snake, notochord is replaced by a vertebral column. So the exact answer is Amphioxus. Carapace is present in toad, bird and frog. So there toads, frogs and birds do not have carapace. The exact answer is tortoise. What is carapace? One piece protective covering of chitin over cephalothorax of crustaceans and of bony plates in the tortoise and tortoise is known as the carapace. Tortoise has a carapace on the dorsal side and a plastron on its ventral side. Hemocoel is found in Hydra and Eurelia, Tinea and Ascaris, Blanoglossis and Herdmania, cockroach and Pilla. तो देयर जब हम बात करते हैं हाइड्रा एंड यूरेलिया की, तो हाइड्रा एंड यूरेलिया डू नॉट हैव ए बॉडी कैविटी. इनके अंदर सिलेंट्रोन होती है बट सिलेंट्रोन इज नॉट ए बॉडी कैविटी. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है टीनिया एंड एस्कैरस. नो बॉडी कैविटी इज फाउंड इन टीनिया. बॉडी कैविटी ऑफ एस्कैरस इज सीडोसील एंड दिस सीडोसील इज नॉट ए ट्रोसिलोम. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है ब्लैनोग्लोसिस एंड हर्टमेनिया. ब्लैनोग्लोसिस एंड हर्टमेनिया हैव ए रेस्ट्रिक्टेड बॉडी कैविटी. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है कॉकरोच एंड पीला. कॉकरोच एंड पीला हैव ट्रोसिलोम in the form of a body cavity in embryonic life. Later on, the blood vessels got enlarged so much so that the coelom was reduced to small spaces and its place was taken by blood. Thus, the viscera floats in the blood-filled cavity, the hemocoel. Next, हमारे पास है turbellarians are free living nematodes, annelids, trematodes या flatworms. तो there nematodes are roundworms. Majority are parasites. Annelids are coelomates including earthworms and leeches. Trematodes are parasitic flatworms. Turbellarians are free living flatworms found in freshwater bodies, moist soil and the sea. Next हमारे पास है choose the correct combination. हमने correct combination बताना है. Annelida and Porifera phyla, Oligochaeta and Arthropoda phyla, Mollusca and Hydrozoa classes, Aves and Chordata classes. तो देयर Annelida and Porifera are phyla, ये correct combination है. जब हम बात करते हैं Oligochaeta and Arthropoda की, तो Oligochaeta is a class of phylum Annelida and Arthropoda is a phylum. जब हम बात करते हैं Mollusca and Hydrozoa की, तो यहाँ पे देखिए Mollusca जो है Mollusca is a phylum and Hydrozoa is a class of phylum Cnidaria. जब हम बात करते हैं Aves and Chordata की, तो Aves is a class of phylum Chordata. So the exact यहाँ पे ऑप्शन जो बनता है सही वो कौन सा है? Annelida and Porifera ये क्या है? Phyla है. Order Primata contains shrews and hedgehog, बैट्स एंड वैम्पायर, मंकीज एंड मैन, हॉर्स एंड ज़ेब्रा। तो डियर पहला ऑप्शन हमारे पास है श्रियूज एंड हेजहॉग। श्रियूज एंड हेजहॉग्स आर मैमल्स एंड बिलोंग टू द ऑर्डर इंसेक्टिवोरा। नेक्स्ट है बैट्स एंड वैम्पायर आर मैमल्स अंडर द ऑर्डर कायरोप्टेरा। मंकीज एंड मैन, तो डियर मंकीज, एप्स एंड मैन belongs to the order Primata of the class Mammalia. So the exact answer is monkeys and man. Order Primata contains monkeys and man. Horse and zebra come under the order Perissodactyla. Which of the following taxonomic ranks contain organisms most familiar to one another? Class, genus, family, species. तो डेयर यहाँ पे देखें जो नीचे वाला दर्जा होता है उसमें ऐसे जानदार पाए जाते हैं जो ज्यादा एक दूसरे के साथ करीबी ताल्लुक रखते हैं। तो यहाँ पे देखें पहला ऑप्शन हमारे पास है क्लास। क्लास इज ए लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ एनिमल्स ऑफ डिफरेंट जेनरा एंड स्पीशीज क्लासिफाइड इनटू स्मॉलर रैंक्स कॉल्ड ऑर्डर्स। सेकंड ऑप्शन हमारे पास है जीनस। जीनस इज द नेम गिवन टू द मेंबर्स ऑफ ए फैमिली विद सम कॉमन फीचर्स। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है फैमिली। Order consists of smaller group called families. Member of the same family have some common basic characters. Next हमारे पास है species. तो dear species is the lowest taxonomic rank having organisms most similar to one another. Next हमारे पास है limbless amphibians belong to the order Anura, Urodila, Gymnophiona, Lysamphibia. तो dear जब हम बात करते हैं अनुरा की, order Anura includes frogs and toads which have well developed limbs, no tail in the adult. जब हम बात करते हैं यूरोडीला की, तो यूरोडीला आर टेल्ड एम्फीबिया विद लिम्स। नेक्स्ट जब हम बात करते हैं जिम्नोफियोना की, जिम्नोफियोना आर लिम्बलेस लिविंग इन अंडरग्राउंड टनल्स ओपन इनटू फ्रेश वाटर बॉडीज। लिसम्फीबिया आर एक्सटिंक्ट फॉर्म्स। सो द एग्जैक्ट आंसर इज जिम्नोफियोना। limbless amphibian belong to the order Gymnophiona. Next हमारे पास है which of the following snake is non poisonous? कोबरा, करेट, वाइपर या पाइथन। तो डियर यहाँ पे जब हम बात करते हैं कोबरा की, कोबरा इज डेडली पॉइजनस, करेट जो है ये पॉइजनस है, वाइपर ये भी डेडली पॉइजनस है, बट जो है पाइथन इज नॉन पॉइजनस। Python is non-poisonous without poison glands and poison teeth. Next हमारे पास है cystores are distinguished from other flatworms by the absence of nervous system, digestive system, excretory system or reproductive system. तो dear all flatworms have a nervous system. Cystores means tapeworms are the only flatworms without a digestive system. All other flatworms have a digestive system. जब हम बात करते हैं एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम की, ऑल फ्लैटवर्म्स हैव ए एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम एंड ऑल फ्लैटवर्म्स रिप्रोड्यूस सेक्सुअली हेंस हैव ए रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. सो सिस्टोर्स आर डिस्टिंग्विश्ड फ्रॉम अदर फ्लैटवर्म्स बाय द एब्सेंस ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन इंसेक्ट? मोथ, माइट्स, प्रॉन या स्कॉर्पियन? तो डियर ऑल इंसेक्ट्स हैव 3 पेयर ऑफ वॉकिंग लेग्स. Moths also have 3 pairs of walking legs. So insect यहाँ पे कौन सा है? moth है. जब हम बात करते हैं mites की, mites have 4 pairs of walking legs. They come under the class Arachnida. जब हम बात करते हैं प्राण की, प्राण has more than 4 pairs of walking legs. It belongs to the class Crustacea. Next जब हम बात करते हैं scorpion की, scorpion has 4 pair of walking legs like other Arachnida. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है सीडोसिलोम इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एनिलिडा, इकाइनोडर्मेटा, मोलस्का और निमाटोडा. तो डियर एनिलिड्स हैव ए ट्रू सिलोम डिवेल्प्ड फ्रॉम सेगमेंटल मेसोडर्म. वाइल जब हम बात करते हैं इकाइनोडर्मेटा की, इकाइनोडर्म्स आल्सो हैव ए ट्रू सिलोम जिसको हम नाम देते हैं एंटीरोसील का. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है मोलस्का. मोलस्कन्स हैव हीमोसील मींस बॉडी कैविटी फील्ड विद ब्लड. और लास्ट ऑप्शन हमारे पास है निमाटोडा. निमाटोड्स हैव ए फॉल्स सिलोम जिसको हम नाम देते हैं सीडोसिलोम का. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है सीडोसिलोम इज डिवेल्प्ड फ्रॉम एम्ब्रियोनिक मेसोडर्म, आर्केंटिरोन, ब्लास्टोसील और ब्लास्टोपोर. तो डियर सिलोम डिवेल्प्ड फ्रॉम एम्ब्रियोनिक मेसोडर्म इज ए ट्रू सिलोम, while Coelom developed from archenteron is known as enterocoel, found in echinoderms and lower chordates. Body cavity developed from blastocoel is उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, pseudocoelom कहते हैं, found in nematodes, while blastopore lead into the embryonic archenteron. Next हमारे पास है butterfly belongs to Homoptera, Socoptera, Hemiptera और Lepidoptera. The exact answer is Lepidoptera. यहां पे जब हम बात करते हैं Homoptera की, Homoptera includes some species of insect known for the production of dyes, waxes, lake and honeydews. Some are wingless. Socoptera की जब हम बात करते हैं, Socoptera includes small winged और wingless insect such as book lice. जब हम बात करते हैं Hemiptera की, Hemiptera are winged or wingless insect including aphids and bugs. Order Lepidoptera includes moths and butterflies which have wings and bodies covered with scales and hair. Next हमारे पास है largest phylum in respect of number of species is Coelenterata, Arthropoda, Protozoa or Porifera. There Coelenterata and Protozoa are large. Porifera has the least number of species. Arthropoda is the largest phylum of animal kingdom with 80% of total animal, comprising over 9 lakh species. So the exact answer is Arthropoda. Starfish belongs to phylum Porifera, Coelenterata, Echinodermata and Arthropoda. तो डेयर जब हम बात करते हैं पोरिफेरा की, स्पॉन्जिस कम अंडर पोरिफेरा, हाइड्रा, जेलीफिश, कोरल्स एंड सी एनिमोन्स कम अंडर Coelenterata एंड स्टारफिश आर इकाइनोडर्म्स. स्टारफिश किस में आते हैं, इकाइनोडर्मेटा में आते हैं. रेडली सिमेट्रिकल होते हैं एंड मैरीन होते हैं और ये स्पाइनी स्किन्ड होते हैं. और आर्थ्रोपोडा हैव जॉइंटेड लेग्स एंड एन एक्सोस्केलेटन ऑफ काइटन. सी हॉर्स बिलोंग टू मैमल्स, एम्फीबिया, एवीज और पाइसिस. तो देयर मैमल्स हैव हेयर एंड मिल्क प्रोड्यूसिंग ग्लैंड्स. सी हॉर्स हैज नन ऑफ दीज. नेक्स्ट एम्फीबियन की जब हम बात करते हैं, एम्फीबियंस आर नेवर फाउंड इन सी वाटर. एवीज इज ए क्लास ऑफ वर्टिब्रेट with feathers and wings. Seahorse is not a bird. Superclass Pisces include all kind of fishes. Seahorse is a marine bony fish. So seahorse belong to Pisces. The study of reptiles is called herpetology, dermatology, entomology और parazoology. तो डेयर यहाँ पे पहला ऑप्शन herpetology is correct answer. The study of reptiles is called herpetology. जब हम बात करते हैं dermatology की, dermatology is the science dealing with skin, its structure, function, disease and their treatment. और जब हम बात करते हैं entomology की, entomology is the science dealing with blood and lymphatic vessels. Parazoology deals with aspects of animals other than anatomy and physiology. Next, echolocation is found in bat, cat, dog or horse. The exact answer is bat. Bats find their way without striking any object by sending out voice vibration as they fly. These ultrasonic waves, after striking objects ahead, are echoed back, for which the ears of bats are highly sensitive. This ability of bats is called echolocation. Cat, dogs and horse have sensitive ears but do not have the ability of echolocation. Next, natural pearls are produced by Arthropoda, Protozoa, Mollusca or Echinodermata. There, Arthropoda are known to produce secretions like wax, silk and some dyes. Shelled protozoans after death contribute to the ooze at the sea bottom. Some mollusca such as pearl oysters produce natural pearls of conchiolin. Echinodermata do not produce any useful things. So the exact answer is mollusca. Natural pearls are produced by mollusca. Zoological name of North Indian hare is Oryctolagus, Cuniculus, Lepus ruficadatus, Lepus nigricollis or Sorex areneus. The exact answer is Lepus ruficadatus is the zoological name of North Indian hare. यहाँ पे जब हम बात करते हैं Oryctolagus cuniculus की, तो Oryctolagus cuniculus is the common rabbit. जब हम बात करते हैं Lepus nigricollis की, तो Lepus nigricollis is the South Indian hare. यहाँ पे Lepus ruficadatus जो है ये नॉर्थ इंडियन हेयर है, जबकि Lepus निग्रिकोलस जो है ये साउथ इंडियन हेयर है। जब हम बात करते हैं सोरेक्स अरेनियस की, इट इज द कॉमन श्रियू ऑफ द ऑर्डर इंसेक्टिवोरा, क्लास ममेलिया। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है सी फैन बिलोंग्स टू सिलेंट्रेटा, पोरिफेरा, इकाइनोडर्मेटा और मुलस्का। तो डेयर सी फैन इज ए सिलेंट्रेट बिकॉज इट इज डिप्लोब्लास्टिक एंड हैज निमेटोसिस्ट। जब हम बात करते हैं पोरिफेरा की, पोरिफेरा फाइलम कंप्राइजेस स्पॉन्जीज which have pores and a skeleton of calcareous or siliceous spicules। जब हम बात करते हैं इकानोडर्म्स की, इकानोडर्म्स आर सिलोमेट्स एंड ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक एंड मुलस्का आर ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक एंड सिलोमेट। सो द एग्जैक्ट आंसर इज सिलेंट्रेटा, सी फैन बिलोंग्स टू सिलेंट्रेटा। क्लास क्रस्टेसी differs from insecta in having two pairs of antenna, joint feet, chitinous cuticle or none of these। तो डेयर यहाँ पे देखें, क्लास क्रस्टेसी differ from insecta in having two pairs of antennae। Here only crustaceans have two pairs of antennae, insects have only one pair of antennae। Joint feet and exoskeleton of chitinous cuticle are present in all classes of phylum Arthropoda, whereas insects have three pairs of walking legs, crustaceans have five or more pairs of walking legs। Which of the following character is present essentially in chordates? Ventral spinal cord, dorsal head, pharyngeal gill slits, blood flow in forward directions in ventral blood vessels। तो there ventral spinal cord is character of non-chordate। Chordates have a dorsal tubular spinal cord। In chordates the heart is always ventral to the alimentary canal, not dorsal heart। यहाँ पे जब हम बात करते हैं pharyngeal gill slits की, all chordates at some stage of life have paired pharyngeal gill slits। Blood flow in forward directions in ventral blood vessels is neither in the non-chordates nor in chordates। Next हमारे पास है which of the following insect is useful for us? Periplaneta, Musca, Bombyx या mosquitoes। तो dear Periplaneta is hated by everyone। Periplaneta means cockroach। It is of no use to us। Musca, housefly, carries germs of many disease such as cholera, thus not useful। जब हम बात करते हैं बॉम्बिक्स की, मीन्स सिल्क मोथ। सिल्क मोथ इज यूजफुल एंड रेयर सिल्क इज obtained from its larvae which is called as a silkworm। and mosquitoes are vectors and host of disease like malaria and dengue, so it is not useful for us। Newts and Hemidactylus differs in body divided into head, trunk and tail, four limbs, division or chambers in the heart, none of the above। तो dear Newts and Hemidactylus differ in division or chambers in the heart। Newts and Hemidactylus, Newts means tailed amphibian and Hemidactylus means wall lizard। Both have body divided into head, trunk and tail। जब हम बात करते हैं four limbs की, तो both have four limbs। and जब बात करते हैं हम division और chambers in heart की, तो heart of Newts has partially divided auricle and undivided ventricle, while the hearts of the wall lizard has a fully divided auricle and partially divided ventricle। So Newts and Hemidactylus means amphibian, tailed amphibian and wall lizards differ in division or chamber in the heart। What is common among silverfish, scorpion, crab and honeybee? Common eyes, poison glands, jointed appendage, metamorphosis। तो dear crab and honeybee only have common eyes, other have simple eyes। Poison glands are found in scorpion and honeybee only। All arthropods have jointed appendages। Metamorphosis take place in crab and honeybee only। So what is common among silverfish, scorpion, crab and honeybee? This is jointed appendages। All arthropods have jointed appendages। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है इन दी 5 किंगडम सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन विच सिंगल किंगडम आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन इंक्लूड पिल्यूग्रीन एल्ची, नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग बैक्टीरिया एंड मेथेनोजेनिक आर्की बैक्टीरिया, मोनरा, फंजाई, पलिनेटा और प्रोटिस्टा। 5 kingdom classification was proposed by Whitaker in 1969। Modra includes prokaryotes such as Pilugrine algae and bacteria। Fungi includes all kinds of fungi। Plantae includes mosses, ferns, gymnosperms and flowering plants। Protista includes protozoa and Animalia includes many celled animals from porifera to vertebrates। So the exact answer is Monera। Which of these fishes eradicates the mosquito larva? Cuttlefish, Anabas, Gambusia or Rahu? The exact answer is Gambusia. Gambusia is a bony fish. Its favorite food is the larvae of mosquitoes. It is a biological control for the eradication of mosquito-borne disease such as malaria. Cuttlefish is not a fish. And Anabas यानी कि climbing perch is a bony fish of the freshwater, feeds upon small crustacea and worms. जब हम बात करते हैं रोहू की, रोहू is a herbivorous freshwater fish. A system of classification in which a large number of traits are considered is phylogenetic system, artificial system, natural system or synthetic system. So their ancestral relationships was the only basis of phylogenetic system, and artificial system was full of mistakes and anomalies as it was based on some easily observed features for convenience and simplicity. Natural system of classification is based upon several factors including evolutionary history, comparative anatomy and physiology, biochemistry and genetic relations like DNA variations. And जब हम बात करते हैं synthetic system की, synthetic system is a mixture of sources which has anomalies. So the exact answer is natural system. A system of classification in which a large number of traits are considered is natural system. The canal system is the characteristic feature of echinoderms, helminthes, sponges or coelentrates. So there, echinoderms have a water vascular system but not totally of canals. Helminthes means flatworms and roundworms do not have a canal system. Canal system with a flagellated collared cells is a very characteristic of sponges. Next जब हम बात करते हैं coelentrates की, some coelentrates like jellyfishes have a canal system but not all coelentrates. So the exact answer is sponges. Canal system is a characteristic feature of sponges. Next, which of the following is a correct statement with regard to certain mammals and its one feature? Bat bears feather, camel has biconcave red blood cells, platypus lays eggs. तो यहाँ पे देखें dear, bat is not a bird, it is a mammal and has hair all over. जब हम बात करते हैं camel की, camel has oval red blood cells, other mammals have biconcave red blood cells. Platypus lays eggs. That option is right option. Platypus is an egg-laying mammal. It lays shelled eggs like reptiles and has a cloaca toe. So the exact answer is platypus lays eggs. Only prototherians have cloaca. All higher and placental mammals, including rats, have separate anal and genital openings. Which of the following is correct statement with regard to certain mammals and its one feature is platypus lays eggs? Reason of diversity in living things is mutation, long-term evolutionary change, gradual change, short-term evolutionary change. So their exact answer is long-term evolutionary change. Diversity in living being is a long-term evolutionary change ranging from a few hundred to a million of years, during which variations, adaptation to change with changing conditions and natural selections play significant roles. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है विच इज ट्रू फॉर इंडिविजुअल ऑफ द सेम स्पीशीज, लिव इन सेम निश, लिव इन सेम हैबिटेट, इंटरब्रीडिंग, लिव इन डिफरेंट हैबिटेट्स. तो देयर एग्जैक्ट आंसर इज इंटरब्रीडिंग. कंसेप्ट ऑफ स्पीशीज इज दैट इंडिविजुअल विच कैन रिप्रोड्यूस सेक्सुअली अमंग देयर ओन काइंड एंड नेचुरली प्रोड्यूस देयर ओन काइंड बिलोंग्स टू द सेम स्पीशीज. In the five kingdom system, the main basis of classification is structure of the nucleus, nutrition, structure of the cell wall or asexual reproduction. So their exact answer is structure of the nucleus. Whitaker proposed five kingdom classification of the organisms. In 1982, Margulis and Schwartz classified organisms into super kingdom, Prokaryote and Eukaryote on the basis of the structure of the nucleus. In the prokaryotes, the genetic material DNA is not enclosed into a nuclear envelope, while it is so in the eukaryotes. Eukaryotes के अंदर genetic material मतलब DNA न्यूक्लियर इन्वेलप में इनक्लोज्ड होता है, जबकि प्रोकैरियोट के अंदर ऐसा नहीं था. In which of the following notochord is present in embryonic stage? All chordates, some chordates, vertebrates or non-chordates. So there presence of notochord at some stage of life is one of the three basic chordate characters. All chordates have a notochord in their embryonic stage. Notochord is a flexible rod above the alimentary canal from one end to the other in the length. and without a notochord it cannot be a chordate. Vertebrates are also chordates, had a notochord in the embryonic life. In which animals nerve cells are present but brain is absent? Sponges, earthworm, cockroach or hydra? So their exact answer is hydra. So their hydra has branched multipolar nerve cells forming an interconnected nerve net, but nerve cells are not concentrated to form a brain anywhere in the body. In sponge organization, definite nerve cells are not known, so no brain. जब हम बात करते हैं अर्थवर्म की, अर्थवर्म definitely has brain and nerve cells. There are some joint nerve cells too. जब हम बात करते हैं काकरोच की, काकरोच is a high grade insect having both the nerve cells and the brain. So the exact answer is hydra. Genetic classification is based on dendrogram based on DNA characteristics, sexual characteristics, ancestral lineage of existing organisms, observable characteristics of existing organisms. तो there ये जो phonetic classification है is based on observable characteristics of existing organisms. Observable characteristics of existing organisms from several disciplines such as morphology, physiology, biochemistry, embryology, cytogenetics is the most accepted way of classify organisms in phonetic classification. In which kingdom of 5 kingdom classification would you classify the archaea and nitrogen fixing organisms? Protista, Monera, Plantae or Fungi? So their exact answer is Monera. Archaea and nitrogen fixing organisms are prokaryotes and put in the kingdom Monera. In the 6th kingdom classification, archaea are present in kingdom Archaebacteria, while nitrogen fixing organisms are in the kingdom Eubacteria. One of the following is very unique feature of mammalian body: homeothermy, presence of diaphragm, 4-chamber heart, rib cage. So their exact answer is presence of diaphragm. All mammals have a diaphragm that helps in breathing. Diaphragm is present in crocodiles too. Homeothermy is a characteristic of birds and mammals and some reptiles. Homeothermy means keeping a constant body temperature. जब हम बात करते हैं 4-chamber heart की, तो 4-chamber heart is found in crocodiles, birds and mammals. जब हम बात करते हैं rib cage की, rib cage is found in lizards, birds and mammals. The animals with bilateral symmetry in young stage and radial pentameral symmetry in the adult stage belongs to the phylum Annelida, Mollusca, Cnidaria and Echinodermata. Their exact answer is Echinodermata. In echinoderms, radial symmetry of the adult is superimposed on the bilateral symmetry of the larvae. Annelids are bilateral symmetry both in the young and adult stage. Mollusks have symmetry of one kind for the whole life. Cnidarians are radially symmetrical at all stage, but animals with bilateral symmetry in young stage and radial pentameral symmetry in the adult stage belongs to the phylum Echinodermata. टुडे आज के लिए इतना ही. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इस चैप्टर के जो बकिया एमसीक्यूज रह गए हैं उनको डिस्कस करेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.